I am a bad orator. I'm not good at speech, but ये सब मेरे ही लोग बैठे हैं, तो I'll just say what comes in my mind. First of all, I'm really grateful. I'm sharing this space with people I look up to. My mentors are over here. And all these fellow partners, you have actually taught me every time. I mean, this business is completely sharing about, of course, the knowledge, but also our experience that really counts. So what helped me, I think Ketan has covered all the points. Maybe I'm going to copy him only, but those are the real facts. So yes, I was a good student, पर सिखाया आप लोगों ने ये मुझे. I started my journey with insurance. As Lim just said, it's been 20 years, and this is a real transformation what I have in Anand Rathi. Now I talk, I'm a face of Anand Rathi, by the way. Yeah, so the tools which I use are many. I think insurance, everybody says natural market की list बनाओ, और फिर हम वो list बनाते हैं. Then you speak to your references, फिर references लेके आओ. This we have gone one step forward, or I think 1,000 steps forward. What is like webinars, seminars, and the WhatsApp activities. At least they have helped me. Webinars में ऐसा नहीं है कि I'll have 100 people coming together and watching me on my webinar. Sometimes I just have 5 to 6 people only, or maybe just 2 to 3, and some are IFAs, and कोई हमारी partners learning के लिए आ जाते हैं. So then, or maybe they are already the clients PWM, but it's okay. उनको भी सर थोड़ी knowledge हम दे देते अपनी. So what we do is हमारे पास जितनी registrations होती हैं, we try कि we should call them up, understand. Then we generate the meetings. So beyond the webinars, seminars, and the WhatsApp activities, when we have the meetings with the clients, we talk about the overall balance sheet, which Ketan just said. I think that's really important to understand the overall portfolio. Zindagi bhar, we all have given the products to the clients. And now I understand the strategy, which I'm so sure about the strategy. Okay? This strategy is going to make money in all the scenarios. And that is what I boast about everywhere. So when I have like strategy in the webinars or something, it's a balance sheet जो मुझे काम आती है next meetings के साथ. तो it's not one day process के खत्म कर लिया सब knowledge दे के. Then we go one step forward, take the balance sheet, and my amazing people over here, they all help me in reviewing the portfolio. Reviewing the portfolio is very important because client को पता नहीं होता how much risk he has taken, और उनको खुद कितनी risk लेनी है. तो उनके काफ़ी पोर्टफोलियोज आर्बिट्राज फंड्स में होते हैं, एफडीज में होते हैं, या इधर उधर होते हैं, विच वी एक्सप्लेन के मार्केट डजंट परफॉर्म वेल एंड आपको क्या करना चाहिए. एंड एक्चुअली आई ऑल्सो बोस्ट अबाउट द रीअलाइनमेंट्स. देयर आर मेनी पीपल जिसने रीअलाइनमेंट कभी किया ही नहीं होता है. वही फंड्स आर देयर ऑलवेज इन द पोर्टफोलियो विच दे फील इज नॉट नेसेसरी बिकॉज टैक्स लग जाएगा. देन वी हैव सो मच डेटा पैक जो आप हमें देते हो, दोज स्लाइड्स, दोज डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच हेल्प अस. During this meetings which I have, after I explain the balance sheet and auditing करने के बाद, again I propose my strategy which is 60-40. I remain focused कि मेरे को 60-40 करना ही है, and I want to sleep like आराम से सोना, client भी आराम से सोए. I don't get any panic calls of my clients, कुछ भी हो जाए. And coming to one very important thing, knowledge bites. क्लाइंट को कुछ भी समझा दो, द बेसिक क्वेश्चन इज मार्केट क्या लगता है. सो देन वी कम अप विद माई फेवरेट स्लाइड एटलीस्ट, इक्विटी व्यू, जहाँ पे वी कैलकुलेट द फ्रॉथ. आई मीन इन दिस करियर ऑफ माई 20 years आई हैड नेवर नोन के EPS, PE, हाउ यू हैव निफ्टी का कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड नाउ इवन माई क्लाइंट्स दे आर रेडी के ठीक है कैलकुलेटर खोल के अभी हमें फ्रॉथ कैलकुलेट करना है. So that has really added up. So after, I think after the meeting, after coming with the documents, even the situational slides, like those documents we get, I think we are ready with every document you ask. We are ready with कोई भी वो हथियार उठा ले, हम ready हैं. Whatever, like we are ready with everything. Yeah, but then after giving him all the things which are needed, then हम उसको उस पर नहीं छोड़ सकते बिकॉज वी हैव गिवन अ टाइम, देन इट्स फॉलो अप. यू हैव टू फॉलो अप विथ योर इन्वेस्टर्स. इट्स योर जॉब. अगर वो भूल भी जाए, इट्स ओके. फॉलो हिम आफ्टर 1 week, 1 month, or maybe years. In my case, of course, Ketan knows कि I have followed somebody. कितने सालों बाद भी मेरी मीटिंग हुई है, जनरेट हुई है, एंड उनके इतने सालों बाद जाके when I met them, they were really happy and trust me, I got compliment. He paused the meeting और उसने मुझे अपने बॉस से मिलाया, सीनियर से मिलाया कि I think now you have really groomed yourself. You had come to me 7 years back. I had gone with somebody and he was not so happy. But after 7 to 8 years, 7 years I think, I went to him and he was so happy with what I'm talking. He said, I think you should manage complete portfolio of my office and senior assembly, and it was amazing. So yeah, मैंने तो वही किया जो सिखाया आप लोगों ने, और कुछ भी नहीं किया. I was always a notorious student, but I think now I've become a good student and I'm learning everything from you guys. I think I covered up most of the things, and सब जहाँ ये बैठे हैं सबके पास knowledge होगी. Please share your stories with me as well. I would love to hear all. Thank you so much.